In this Ranker review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to rank on page one of Google, get free traffic by simply installing it on your website. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Ranker, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new for 2021, the simple one-click ranker software, one-click SEO software unlocks Google page one rankings, free buyer traffic, and more importantly, sales for your business. Rank any site on the first page of Google by optimizing your site with Ranker. So essentially what the software does is it takes your WordPress website posts and it optimizes them so that you can get free traffic. It unlocks free buyer traffic, optimize any post you want in seconds, find thousands of keywords you can rank for, create backlinks made for newbies, and it has an unlimited site license during the launch week, so you can use it on unlimited sites that you own here. So if you get on this sales page here, there's some sales page stuff. Here's some proof of them actually getting rankings using the software and making money with it, which is very important. Here's more rankings proof here. Here's more money proof here. Of course, all this money didn't come from using the software, but these are affiliate stats. And I know that they actually made money with this by ranking websites. You don't have to do any paid traffic, no like additional SEO, no creating videos, no time sucking methods, and really no hard work that's involved with using this software. Let me go down here to the bottom here. If you purchase today, you're going to get access to the software. You get all the different features that it has. But here's one thing that I wanted to show you. When you come to the sales page, move your mouse away like this, and you can get a discount on it. So I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, but I always want you to get the lowest price on these products if you purchase through my link. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick little demo video, and I'll be back to show you the OTOs and more discounts.
Hey guys, it's your friend Lua here, and this is a quick demo video of Ranker. Okay, so Ranker, it's a powerful WordPress plugin that allows anyone to get more page one rankings, and that way with more page one rankings you can get more traffic from search engines, and this of course will end up in more sales, more leads for you, and all that cool stuff. Okay, so Ranker, it's a powerful WordPress plugin. Here I'm gonna show you all the main features that this plugin have and how it will help you to rank better on Google and also help you to get more traffic and leads and sales from the search engines. Okay, so here very quick we have this quick dashboard here that you can see. Then you can see we have backlinks, we have social signals, SEO tags, and also Ranker will help you to optimize your WordPress posts. Okay, so let me show you very quickly how it works. If I go to the post here and I click add new, before I show you the other features here, I'm gonna show you that one. So here you can add a title for your post. Let's say I'm doing a post about weight loss. So I add a weight loss title here. Hey, this is a weight loss post. And I can save as draft here very quickly. And then as you can see here, below the post, you have a field that says optimize your post. Then you can add your keyword here. And the plugin will quickly show you what you need to optimize in your post to get better rankings. Okay, so as you can see, it's missing the H1 tag, it's missing the permalink, and it's missing the alt text in the images. So 2 things are right with my SEO and 3 things that I need to fix on my posts. So here you can see what you need to fix on your post in order to rank better on Google, and those here are all ranking factors that you need in your post in order to your post to appear on the search engines. Okay, so very quickly, Ranker will give you everything you need to optimize in your post to get your post optimized for search engines. So that's the first thing that Ranker does for you. Okay, another thing that Ranker does, it allows you to find keyword ideas and generate tags. Okay, so WordPress tags are a very powerful way to get uh, more traffic, okay, from related keywords. And keyword ideas will give you ideas for your posts and all that stuff. So all I need to do, let's say I have a post about weight loss, I just type here weight loss, search, and I will be able to quickly see all those keywords that I can use to create my post around, or I can just add as tags, so I will be able to get related traffic for those keywords, okay? So I just select the tags I want and I click add tags, and then it will add all those tags to my post, and that way I can get uh, more traffic from related posts or related things to that keywords. Okay, so that's the second thing that Ranker will do for you. It will create WordPress tags. So let me publish this article here, and it's published now. Let's get back to the WordPress dashboard and go to the backlink section. Okay, so the next step then it's backlinks. So let me click backlinks here, and Ranker will create backlinks for you. Okay, it will open this page here. You add your domain name and click submit, and it will start to create backlinks for you. And also you can download those backlinks as PDF, so you can give like to your clients or to keep yourself a copy of the backlinks you generated. Okay, so it will generate backlinks for you. Also, you will be able to create social signals. So if I want to quickly share all my posts on social media, I will be able to. Okay, I can copy the link of the post, or I can quickly share on social media immediately. And I can create social signals that will help me with the traffic and also with the page one rankings. Okay, the both things that will helping me with those both things. Okay, then we have SEO tags, and that's different from the SEO tags from the post. Okay, if you want to add tags in all your posts with one click, you will be able to do that. All you need to do is click this button here, and it will create tags for all your posts, all the posts in your website. Okay, and that way you will be able to generate more traffic from the search engines and more traffic from related keywords. So that's everything that Ranker does. Basically, it will optimize your site, it will create backlinks for you, it will create social signals, SEO tags, and give you keyword ideas. Okay, so that's everything it does. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you on the other side. Thanks.
Okay, so here's the first upgrade you're going to see. It says, what if you could 10 times your results? This is going to give you the Pro upgrade. You get the powerful speed add-on, instant access to the content creator, huge library of articles to use, access to 50 SEO tools with this upgrade. Now, what you want to do is normally 27. Click on that No Thanks button, and it's going to pop up a $10 discount. So make sure you do that. Make sure you get that lowest price. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price on this. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, so OTO number 2, it says discover the secret to outstanding results with Ranker. This is going to give you the inner secrets on Ranker, master every aspect of the app. It says it's a must-have upgrade, turn Ranker into a beast of a ranking machine. So this is just an additional upgrade with this, normally $19. Click on the No Thank button here, and that's going to give you, it looks like, a discount on this one as well. So there's more of a discount here. OTO number 3, turn Ranker into a 5-figure business, install and use it on unlimited client sites. You can actually provide this as a service, but if you want to get a lower price, click the No Thanks button, and you can get a $10 discount on this one as well. OTO number 4 here, you can get 100% commissions on Ranker, so you can actually get resell rights to this. But of course, we want to click that No Thanks button, and it's going to give it to you for a discounted price. So make sure you do that. And the last one, this is his coaching membership. And of course, we want to click on the No Thanks button and see if we've got a discount here. Yep, we get a discount on this. We can get it at a lower price. All these OTOs are all completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Ranker and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, you do need to have a WordPress website for this to work. So I'm going to say that again. You need a WordPress website. This won't work on other, like if you're using something like ClickFunnels, it's not going to work on that. You need to install it on a WordPress site. What do I like about this? If you have a blog, if you're making content and it's not optimized correctly, then you're just wasting your time. You need to make sure that everything's optimized correctly. If you want to get that free traffic, this software will help you get that free traffic. You just need to install it. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Ranker, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.